difficult too. So I'm going to share the board with you guys, and I'm going to start sharing a couple of techniques with you guys. Okay. So I think you guys have the squares of numbers there. We will not be able to cover up all the topics, but I'm going to take some prominently difficult topics which people, kind of find handy. Kids will find it very handy to use uh, during the competition. So the first topic that we are going to see right now is how to square numbers quickly. Okay. So in the competition, you are going to face only two-digit squaring. I don't think you have three-digit squaring there. So let us stick to two-digit squaring, guys. So suppose if you have to square, all of you do it with me because that will be much easier. Okay. Suppose
Let
you
me do.
have to square 23. All of you know what this is, correct? 23 square.
Yeah.
Okay. Now see how to do this. What you do is for a quick calculation, first I'll tell you the logic, then you can do it mentally. See, what is the square of 2? First you square 2, correct? And then
Yeah.
you can multiply 2 into 3 and you double it. That you can do in your mind. And then you square 3. See what happens. What is 2 square? 4.
4.
2 threes are 6 and 6 double, that is 12. Getting it?
12. Yeah.
And this is
Yeah.
9. So can I write this
9.
as 4, this and
Yeah.
9? Your answer is 529. Are you getting it? How many understood this?
Okay. Yeah, I kind of got it, miss.
Okay.
It's like you added the 1 with the 4, right?
Yeah.
Mm.
Yes, one goes a carryover here.
Okay.
I
That's
don't
how.
understand.
Okay, I'll do one more question. Just do it with me. Okay, do not sit and watch. Just have a notebook with you and write down. Okay, once you start writing down, okay, you will know what I'm doing. Okay, let's take another example. Let's take a square of 8. 38 square. So, do you know what is 3 square? Then you have to multiply 3 times 8 and you have to double it and then you have to do 8 square. Getting it, everybody?
Yeah, miss.
Muhammad, Hassan, Yusuf, are you getting what I'm doing there?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, now what do you do? What is the square of 3? That's a 9. Now,
9.
what is this? 8 times 3 is 24, and
24.
24 double, you will take 48. Are you
48.
getting it?
Yeah.
And what is the
64.
square of 8? This is 64. Now, just arrange the numbers. It is 9, it is 48, and this is 64. Are you getting it?
Yeah.
How many understood? We did a carryover. The 4 goes here
Yes,
and the
yes.
6 goes here. That's
Understand.
a carryover. Okay. Then in that case, can you add this one? What is 9 plus 4? That's a 13. Correct? This is 14. And that's a 4. Answer will be 1444. See, when I'm explaining it, you will feel that it is very lengthy. But when you do it mentally, it's pretty fast. We will do a couple of sums mentally. How many got this? Yes? Hassan, did you get this? Yusuf? Yusuf, I don't think he's there. Okay. Let's let's do the next question. Can I go to the next page, everybody?
Miss, I understand. I understand.
Very
But
good, very
Miss,
good.
so 64 times 48 times 9?
No, not times. We just arrange it. There is no add. No, no, we are not doing. We just writing them close by. 69, then 48. There is no multiplication. You're just arranging them. You're gathering them together. That's what you're doing. There is no addition or
Okay.
subtraction or multiplication. Okay.
And how did you get 48?
8 times 3 is 24, and you double 24. That's 48.
Okay.
That's how. We will do a couple of more sums. Pay attention. Okay. Let's see. Suppose you want to square, try it yourself, all of you. Suppose you want to square, say 42. All of you, just try and you can do it mentally. Like you can directly write the square of 4, which is 16. Now 4 twos are 8 and double 8. That is another 16. Getting it? And then 4. How to arrange? 16164. Your answer will be 1764. How many getting it? Yes?
Yes, yes, we get.
Yes? Okay. Try to do it mentally
Yeah, it's
like that,
good.
like I did right now. Try to do it mentally. You will feel proud of yourself only to know how to do this mentally, all of you. Let's do it. I think we have a couple of new joiners
Miss,
here. Yes?
1600.
7. 1
7,
6
yeah.
1764.
Yes,
1764.
1700.
Yeah. How did you get 1764? Wait. 4 square. then you multiply 4 times 2, and then you have a 2 square. 4 square is 16, 4 times 2 is 8, and 8 double 16, 8 double is 16, and that is 4. Now you don't do anything, you just arrange the numbers together. So you will get 1, 6, this 1 will go here, that is a 16, and this 4 simply like this. Answer is 1764. All of this can be done mentally. All of this can be done mentally very clearly. How many of you are getting this? Abdulaziz, are you getting it
Yeah,
or
I got
no?
this.
Okay, very good. Now, can I continuously give you questions for all those who have been in the class for a while? Okay, I'll go to the next page.
Okay.
Okay, so, and all those who have joined in new, I will show you all if you don't understand what we're doing. Now, let us do a little bit of try yourself, a couple of questions. Try yourself. Okay, let's see. Can you square 24? Then can you square 31? Then try to square 56. And can you square 72?
968.
576.
576. Yes, this is 576. Perfect. Who got this? Yusuf.
Yes.
Very good. This is 576. How many getting it?
Yes, yes, we get.
Getting it? You can do this mentally. See, 3 threes are 9.
982.
No, not 982. 3 threes are 9, correct? Square. Then
Yes.
3 twos are 6, and 6
Ah,
double.
okay.
Sorry, 3
Okay.
ones are 3.
96.
3 ones are
962.
3. Yeah, no. 961. 1 square is 1 only.
Yeah.
Square of 1 is 1. Getting it? Now, look at this. 5 fives are 25.
6,000. Okay. Continue.
Yeah. 5 fives are 25. Then 5 six are
60.
30. And 30 double, you take 60. And then 6 6 are 36. What is your answer? 3136. How many getting it? Are you guys getting it or no?
Yeah, miss, it's clear. I got it.
Wonderful.
Yes, yes, getting it.
Very good. Now do this. 7 times
Getting
7,
it.
49. Now, 7 times 2, 14. And double 14, that is a
28.
28. And then 2 times 2, you get a 4. Your answer would be 5184. How many got this? It's extremely fast.
Yes, yes, we get.
Yes. Now, for all these numbers, it is okay. You can standard use this method for all the numbers. But certain numbers are much faster. They are faster than this. How many of you really felt in the bottom of your heart that this was faster than what you would normally do mentally? If you have to write and do the square, it will be much faster. I mean, it will take time. But doing it this way is much faster, correct? But there are certain numbers for which, you will see that the squares are super fast. What are those numbers? Those numbers are the ones which end with 5. Just pay attention. This is fast. There are super fast. How do you do that? For example, you want to find out 15 square. Pay attention. You take this one and you multiply this one with 2. Are you getting it? 1 multiplied by 2 is equal to 2. Are you getting it? And then this 5, you square the 5. That's a 25. Are you getting it, everybody? I hope you
Yeah.
guys are getting what I'm saying.
Yeah.
Yes?
So it's a
Yes,
different
yes.
method.
Now, it's the same method, but because the numbers are ending with 5, it follows a different rule. It is super fast. It is the same thing, but we are doing it in a different manner because the number is ending with 5. It is a very special number. 5 is a special number. It gives you a lot of benefits. We will talk about it. Okay. Then suppose you want to do 25 square. What comes after 2? What is the consecutive number after 2?
4.
What number? 4? No. Hello,
3.
3. 3.
3. Yeah.
That is a 2 times 3. 2
So
times 3 will give
65.
you, this will be 6.
60.
6 and
65.
5, 625. You square 5.
Yeah.
Getting it?
Yeah. It's clear, miss.
Wonderful. Now try to do what will be 35 square like that.
So that
So
will be
you
miss
must.
1225.
Yeah, perfect. Very good. Do you need time? It is super fast to no level. Are you guys getting it? It is super fast.
Yes.
Yeah, it's clear, miss.
Yeah, it's super fast. When a number ends with 5, it's a very special number, guys. Okay, let's see now. Can you square quickly Okay, I'm sure it is going to take less than 20 seconds for.
1625.
No. Think about it. Think about it. Think about it.
No, 4 times 5 is 20.
2025.
2025.
2025. Perfect. 2025. That's correct. Who's annotating? 70.
2000,
25. Yes.
2525.
No, why 525 from very good 525?
3025.
30,
3025.
3025. Very good. Yes.
3225.
Oh my God, what kids I have. I want all of you on the dais the other day to pick up trophies. Okay, just be fast. Okay,
4,225.
4225.
5525.
Love you guys. Very good. Wonderful. I am just liking the way you guys are doing it.
7225.
Very good. Isn't this super fast? Isn't this super fast, guys? This is
Yes.
super fast. This is actually
Yes, yes,
super
very
fast.
fast.
Yes. So even if you're doing this, which is fast method, the method that we studied before, this method is super fast. Now, remember to know the numbers ending with 5 will also help you to find out square roots. We will see how. Can I go to the next page, guys? All of you done? Yes?
Yes.
I hope Dana, Fatma, Abdulaziz, all of you understanding. Jasim? Yes? Okay. So is squares clear? Now if anybody gets any kind of squares to do, I hope you guys are able to find the squares, okay? All of you clear? Yes or no? Give me a thumbs up. All of you? All of you should be able to find the squares very easily after we learn the method. Now let's see what we have here when we do the square roots. Let's do this topic, which is square roots. I'm sure all of you know what square root is. Am I right? All of you are aware what square root is? Yes, it is
Yes.
the root.
Yeah, yeah,
It
we
is the
do.
root of the square, correct? Okay, just to start with, suppose if you have 4, which is a 2 square, then square root of 4 will be 2. This is what we understand, correct? Now, to know square root of numbers, to find out the square root of numbers, what you essentially need to know is square of single digit numbers or square up to 10. Can all of you in your notebook quickly write down the square of up to 10, square of numbers up to 10? That is 3 square is 9, then 4 square is 16. This is easy. I'm sure all of you remember, correct? I don't have to insist on this, but all of you probably are aware how to do this. 8 square is 64, then 9 square is 81, and 10 square is 100. All of you. How many of you finished writing this? All of you should know the squares of single digit, and that is
If
not
next
very difficult.
time there is 6-digit square, I don't know.
6-digit
Yes,
square,
yes. 7 digits.
7-digit square.
Yes.
Yes.
Can you give me the sum? You mean to say in the BMO?
In the practice for the math, they put question 7-digit square.
You mean 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7? That is what?
Yes,
No,
like
no.
that.
Then
You mean square root?
you mean square root or square?
Yes, square root.
Yeah. So let us learn. We are learning square root. We will see how to do that. Okay. Now, first of all, let us understand. You have a 7-digit square root.
Yes,
Okay.
in the practice.
Okay, we will see. Now let us first understand from the smallest digit. Okay. So let us say, first of all, we want to find out the square root of 144. We will start with a small digit. Gradually, you will come to know what to do. Okay. Now this is a square root. Square means power 2. To find out power 2, first of all, in your mind, you can pair this in two parts. Are you getting it? So how many pairs could you make? You could make two pairs, correct? So you will have two answers. Are you getting it, guys? All of you?
Yeah.
Okay. Now look at 1. 1 1 will come between 1 and 4. So the first digit will be 1. Are you getting it? You have to take the lowest one. Okay, so first digit is 1. All right. Now the square, okay, if you take 1, immediately think about 15 square. What is 15 square? Just now we learned, correct? It is 225. Getting
Yeah.
it, everybody? Okay. Now
Yes.
check. See, squares of which numbers end with 4? A square of 2 will end with 4 and square of 8 will end with 4. Getting it, guys? That means your answer can either be 12 or either be 18. How many understood this? How many understood this?
Yes, yes, we
Your
I
understand.
answer,
understand. Yeah.
correct? Yeah. So now the center of all this number is 15. Now we know what is square of 15. Square of 15 is 225, correct? Because we just learned that right now. You should use that technique. 144 comes before 12. So your before 225. Getting it? This is smaller than, so this will be smaller than. So answer is 12. Are you getting, people, what I'm saying?
Yes.
I'll do a couple of more sums. You should know the tables, sorry, you should know the squares of the single digit. Let me do one more question there, all of you. uh, I'll erase this part, okay, so we can keep the tables there only, I mean the squares there only. Okay, let us take one number which is square root of 2809. Okay, square root of 2809. Okay, now let's pair the numbers in two from the right. You have to pair the numbers from the right. Okay, so this direction. Okay, you will pair the numbers in this direction. So can you see that you made two lines, two pairs? You made two places, correct? So the number of pairs you create tells you how many digits are there in the answer. So you have two digits in the answer. Now let us see. Where will you write 28? 28 comes between 5 square and 6 square. Are you guys understanding this? Guys, 28 will come between 5 square and 6 square. Correct? We take the lowest one. What is the lowest? 5 square. That is, you take the 5. Correct? Now, your answer can be, you can get two answers. Either you can get, which squares are ending with 9? That is, you can either get 53 or you can get 57. Everybody getting it? What I'm saying?
Yes.
Okay, the
Yes.
center of this number is going to be 55.
53 plus 53.
Yeah, it's 53. Perfect. 55 is the center. If 55 is the center, that means now you know the square of 55. 5, 6 are 30 and 25. It is less 2809. So the less number will be the answer 53. I hope all of you got this.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. So like that, you
Yes.
can find out the squares of any number which is there. Now, I will have to open the worksheet and see, or if anybody has the sum that is 7 digit, we will see what it is. Did you all, how many of you got a 7 digit in the mock? Okay. Okay, let's find out what is the square root of, I'm going to give you all one question. All of you try to do it yourself. uh, let us find out what is the square root of, one second, 676. Everybody figure it out. What is this?
11, 11.
No, 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 not 11. You pair it off. Don't be in a hurry. Pair it off. Where will you write 6?
6, first digit.
2, 3.
6 between 2 and 3. Correct? 6 will be between 2 and 3. So you will write the lowest one, which is 2. Getting it? 6 will come between 2 square and 3 square. I hope you guys are understanding. 6 will come between 2 square and 3 square. I hope you guys are understanding. Correct? And then 76. The square of which number ends with 6? That is what you have to find out. The square of which number ends with 6? That can be either 24 or 26. Am I right?
Yes.
What is the center?
26.
26. Bayan, very good. So, is Bayan answering? Who's answering? Okay.
Abdulaziz.
Abdulaziz, okay. So 25. So it's 25 square. What is 25 square? It is 625. Can you see that this is greater on this side? So this is the answer, 26. Now, how to do this mentally? This is still faster than doing the normal. It is without calculator. Understand? If you try to do it without calculator, manually, it will take a lot of time. Still, this is faster. How many of you understood the technique? We can do it super fast. How many of you understood the technique?
Miss,
Miss, I don't understand the technique.
I don't understand the middle.
Middle
How
is
is
the,
it?
see, and okay, wait 1 second. Can you all see in this squaring method? Okay. When you square these numbers here, when you are squaring these numbers here, okay, can you see that all the numbers are repeated again and again, except 5 is not repeated? Can you see this? 1 is repeated with 9, 4
Yes,
is
yes,
repeated with 8, 9
yes.
is repeated with 7, and this. But 5 is not repeated. That is why
Yes.
5 becomes the central digit. So half of the squares will be above 5, half of them will be below 5. Are you getting what I'm saying?
So on all equation, 25 is the middle.
Middle number, correct. 25 will be the middle number. Are you getting it? So let's take one more example. Suppose you want to find out the square root of 7921. Okay. If 7921, can we club them in two parts, guys? Are you getting it what I'm saying? Can we club them in two parts? So this is 1 and this is
Yes.
2. Now look at 79. Where will you write 79? Who will tell me this? 79 comes between
So we'll get
Eight.
8, miss.
8 and 9.
8. Perfect,
It's a
perfect.
9.
8 and 9. So you write the lowest. That's 8. And
Uh,
now, see, with the moment you have 8, you know that you have to look for 85. Am I right or no?
yes.
Correct.
89.
Who's that?
Me,
85.
Abdulaziz.
Yes, Abdullah is wonderful. So the moment you have a 8 there, how to do it super fast? The moment you have 8, think about 85. What is the square of 85? 7225. Correct? 7921 is greater than this number. So which number ends with 1? So that has to be 9 here. Correct? How many understood this?
Okay.
If you haven't understood, then I'll explain it the normal way that I do. Like, for example, you have two options to be given. So first option can be 81 because the square of 81 will end with
9.
1, and then
Yes.
89 because the square of 9 will also end with 1. The central digit you have is 85. So 85 square is 7225, and since this comes here, okay, this is the square that we have. Are you getting
Okay.
it? This is
Yes.
mental, and in the competition, you guys will only have perfect squares. There are no imperfect squares. So you can blindly use this method. There is no problem. There is
Okay.
another mental method for imperfect squares, which I'm not going to teach here because those sums are not coming in. Are you getting it? Right now, we are going to only focus on the
Yes.
perfect squares. Okay?
Uh,
Okay. Now let us take,
Miss,
yes,
we get 9-digit multiplication.
9-digit multiplication. Can you give me one example?
In the practice. For example, 984,217 times 184,321,89.
984,217 multiplied by, wait 1 second.
More digits.
Okay, can we finish the square part and then I will tell you what to do here? Okay, see, certain places you might need a little bit of practice. I'm not sure. For next year, if you're able to practice on these things faster, I think that should help you. Right now, let us try and accumulate for whatever we can do the best. Are you getting it? For larger numbers, you need a little bit of practice to multiply larger numbers. Are you guys understanding what I'm saying? If
Yes.
Yes. Yeah, miss.
suddenly one day you start doing large number, that's going to be a little difficult for you all to get it. But yes, if you continuously keep on practicing, it is possible that you will get it. So right now let us focus on how to understand maximum things which are easy to understand in the given 2 days time. Let us not jump for something which is going to be, sometimes you just have to take a judgment of the answer there. Okay. uh, uh okay, let's do cube root. How many understood square root? Okay, yeah, we have to do 3 digit. You have a 3 digit square root also? Not
I
3 digits, sorry. What to say? You have a 6 digit, what you said? 6 digit square root?
No, I don't think.
No, I don't think you have because I'm seeing the practice sheet. I don't think you have a 7-digit or a 6-digit. You have only 4-digit square roots. Maximum you can have 5-digit, but I don't see. I'm seeing the practice sheet while talking to you all. I don't see that. Right now, I think you are only limited to 4-digit. Let's see what you can do with cube roots. How many of you know what is cube roots? How many of you understand what is cube roots?
It's when the power is 1/3.
3, yes, when the power is 3. Okay, for example, if I say 8 and 8 is 2 cube, which means the cube root of 8 is 2. Are you getting it, guys? Okay, that is what it means with the cube root of 3. Now, as far as this is a single digit, it is okay. Now, as we did for square roots, quickly let us write down the cubes of single digit. What is 1 cube? 1.
1.
What is 2 cube?
2.
8.
8.
What
8,
is
8.
3 cube? That's
27.
27. What is 4 cube?
81.
That's a 64.
64.
Yeah. What is 5 cube? Just by heart this. Only this much I would request you all to by heart. Rest all this good. 6 cube. That is 216. 7 cube. That is 343. 8 cube. That is 512. And 9 cube. That is 729. And 10 cube. That is 1000. See, unlike the squares, cubes have a very different setup. See, a cube of 1 will end with, guys, look at this. A cube of 1 will end with 1. Getting it, everybody? Can all of you see the screen clearly?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. A cube of 2 ends with 8. Okay, let us see. A cube of 1 ends with 1. A cube of 4 ends with 4. A cube of 6 ends with 6. 5 with 5. All this is good, correct? You don't have any repetition in the cubes like you have in the squares, correct? In the cubes, there are no repetitions. Are you guys understanding? So cube root is very easy to find out. Let's take a very, very small example of finding a cube root. Let's find out the cube root of 1728. We are finding the cube root of 1728. See, this time it is power 3. Guys, this time it is power 3. What are we going to do for power 3? You are going to take 3 digits from the right. Are you getting it?
Oh, yes, yes.
Okay, it
Yes.
is power 3. So you will take 3 digits from the right. 3 digits from the right, you got 2 set of numbers. If you get 2 set of numbers, I don't have to tell you, which means that in your answer,
12.
you will have to who did it? Did you use a calculator or you used a trick?
Toik.
Okay, so that's a 1. So
That's
1
right.
comes 1, yes. And the cube of which number ends with
66.
the cube of which
2.
number ends with 8? That is 2. Simple. Finish. That's your answer. Are you getting it, everybody?
Yes, yes. So
Okay.
much easier than.
Yes, yes. And now let's try one more, okay? Let me take a little larger number. Okay, this is going to be a little large for you. One second. Okay, let us take a 5-digit number, okay? This is a cube root of 5-digit number, which is 32768. Group of 3, guys. Group of 3, right? 3 and 3. So 32. Where will you write 32? 32 will come between 3 and 4. So your first digit is 3. Clear?
Yeah.
Yes.
Second is 2. Finish. Because the cube of 2 ends with 8. Getting it to know, everybody? How many understanding this?
Yeah. Yes, I understand.
It's a cakewalk. Yes
Understand.
or no? It's a cakewalk. Yes?
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
Let me give you now. Let's do a 6-digit number, okay? Let us see a 6-digit number. Let us see what is going to be. One second. All of you try to do this yourself now, and let me just not talk in between. This is cube root of 175616. Come on, guys. How many want to give a shot there?
116.
No, 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 no. Don't hurry. Don't hurry. Make a group of 3.
That's
175.
I think it's 56.
56, yes, because 175 will come between this. So you write the lowest one, which is 5, and the cube of which number ends with 6? The cube of which number ends with
6.
6? The cube of
6.
6 ends with 6. So that's 56. How many getting it?
Yes, okay.
It's easy, right? So
Yes.
can I erase this and give you some more questions, people? You try it yourselves?
Yes, sure.
Okay. Let us do it. 1 second. Okay, try this out. This is cube root of 205379. Okay, try to do it. Let me see.
59.
59.
Wonderful. Okay, find out. Let me see. 71. Yes, I think you guys are getting the, you kind of understanding what we are doing. These kind of sums are there for the BMO. Okay, how many getting it?
That's 89.
89. Beautiful, beautiful. I'm so impressed. So what's the answer for the first question?
59.
59.
59.
Okay. Second is 71.
71.
And third is
89.
89.
89.
Wasn't this really fast? Did you need a calculator for this, guys?
No,
Money.
And honestly tell me, in the school, would you pick up a calculator to do this?
No.
No?
don't think so.
No, not now, but before this. Before this, would you pick up a
Yes.
Yes,
calculator?
of course.
Yeah,
Yes,
definitely.
before this. So now on, make sure you don't pick up a calculator, okay? Try to use your brain power. Trust me, it goes a long way. All right. So if this kind of questions are there, will you guys be able to do it now?
Yes.
Okay, can we move on
Yes.
to another topic?
Sure.
Okay, great. I'm going to take a fresh page. Okay, I'm going to teach you some general. How many of you need help in subtractions?
Me.
Subtractions? Okay. A quick subtraction. Okay, some basics of subtraction is what I'm going to teach you guys. Maybe some of you know about it, but let us just run through the whole process. So we are going to see subtractions here, and it's not a topic which is very difficult, honestly speaking. What I'm going to help you out right now is to do subtractions without carryovers. Okay. So let's take that you have, suppose, 5,000. You have 5,000. Okay, I'll write this number large. So it's 5,000. Okay, minus say 248. It's 5,000 minus 248. Now pay attention, people, here. We are going to divide this in 3 parts. Okay, let's divide this number into 3 parts. Okay. Now explanation might look longer. Actual implementation is very fast. Now, in the first section, you will write 1 less than whatever you see, 1 less than the number above. Are you getting what I'm saying?
4,752.
Yes, but we are doing it from left to right. Okay, we are not doing this way. Okay, so just pay attention. If you have a method, wonderful. But otherwise, if you don't, just pay attention. 1 less than 5 is 4. Now for the combination in between, look for a 9. 2 plus 7 is a 9. 4 plus 5 is a 9. And last method is 10. Last should be 2 because this combination should be 10. This should be 9 and this should be 9. Have you guys understood what I'm saying?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
This you should never subtract from this side. We are trying to do the direct answer. Are you getting
Can
what
you
I'm
do that
saying?
again, please?
Yes.
Can you do that again, miss, please?
Yeah, sure. Okay. See, we have this number. We have divided the entire sum into 3 parts. This mentally also you can divide the number in 3 parts. So that's easy. Okay. 1 less than 1 above. 1 less than whatever is here is a 4. For this between section, you see a combination of 9. So that is a 2 plus 7, 4 plus 5, and 8. Last combination is 10. So that's a 2. Direct answer. No carryovers. Without a carryover, merely by looking at the question. Are you getting what I'm saying, guys? How many of you understanding this?
Me.
Me.
Okay, let us do one more question. Okay, let's say you have, say now let's take 70,000. Let's take 70,000 minus 1, 5, 6, 8. Now do it from right to left and do it mentally. Remember, 1 less than 7 is 6. For these numbers, you have to see a combination of 9. So that's a 8, 43, and then a 2. How many understood?
Me.
Seamless.
Easy.
Everybody getting it? Very
Yes.
easy. Cakewalk. Getting it or no?
Yes.
Is it
Nine.
always combination of
But
9?
Yes, it's whenever
Yes.
there are zeros on the top, it is a combination of 9.
Okay.
See, because you
but
carry over, no? 9 here. Getting it or no?
Yeah.
That's why.
but if it is, for example, 70,000 and it is 156.
Yeah, I'll do this question. 1 second. Okay, we will continue with the same question then. So he's saying if it's 70,000 and 156. Okay. Okay, so you know what we are going to do? We're going to put a 0 here. Simple.
I think
Then that is equal
70,000.
to 6, 9, 8, 4, 4. Did you get it?
Also it will be 9.
Yes,
Yes.
because it is 0 plus 9 is 9. No, we are looking for a
Okay.
combination of 9. Are
Okay.
you getting everybody?
Yes.
Was this easy
If
enough
it
to
was
understand?
Yes.
what if it was 1,560?
6, 0?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll take another example now. Okay, let's take suppose you have 80,000. Okay, minus 1,560. Suppose. See, zero there is nothing to combine with a 9, so you just forget. Zero will give you a 0 only. So 0 minus 0 is 0. So you should actually see a combination till here. So what you will do? 8 minus 1 will give you 7. For this you will see a 9, which is equal to 8. This is a 4 and a 4. Getting it? Because 0, what are you going to subtract from a 0? No, you'll get a negative 9 like that.
I
Are
have
you
a
getting it?
question, miss.
That's
Okay.
3.
Okay.
Miss, I have a question.
Yes.
Yeah,
That's
miss, so how did you like after you got the combination, how did you subtract it? Which
I
was
didn't
153.
subtract. I'm not subtracting actually, I'm adding. Because I'm looking what is 1 plus what is 9? 1 plus 8 is 9. 5 plus what is 9? 5 plus 4 is 9. Getting it or no? And 6
Okay.
plus last is 10. Because this is a 0, you ignore this. And you write 0 as it is. Getting it? But you
Yeah.
take this combination for 10. 6 plus 4 is 10. That is why the answer. Getting it or no?
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, that's how. But you also will have sums like this. Suppose you have 8,000 minus 1, 2, 3, 4. You also have a sum like this. Getting it? Are
Yeah.
you getting what I'm saying? Now, what do you do? Whatever number is here, you subtract one more. 8 instead of 8 minus 1, you will do 8 minus 2. What is 8 minus 2? 6. And then the same thing you do here. 2 plus 7 is 9, 3 plus 6 is 9, and 4 plus 6 is 9. How many got this? How
So on
many?
top of the minus, we minus one more.
Yeah, you take the next consecutive number. For example, let's take, suppose you have 90,000 minus 64382. Suppose. Okay, normally you will need a calculator for this, but let's see. Okay, you cut this and make 7. 9 minus 7 will give you 2. And the rest all what you did before, like 5, 6, 1, and this is 8. How many got it?
Me.
All of you, I hope. Yeah, wonderful.
Yeah.
So
Yes,
this
yes.
is quick subtraction. Yes, darling. Who's that?
me, miss.
Yes.
If there's no zeros, there's a number.
Yeah. I'm going to do that. I'm going to do that now.
Okay.
But to know that, you should know this. Have you all
Yes.
understood this bit? Everybody?
Yes.
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 Can you
Okay.
repeat?
I'm sorry.
Can you repeat?
Yep. I'll do one more question. Pay attention. Suppose you have 60,000. Such big sums are not even there in the BMMO, but if you are able to handle this, you will be able to do them as well. Okay. If you have a 60,000 minus, say, 29643. Now, what will you do here, guys? All of you understood. Who have understood, do it yourself. So you subtract a 3. 6 minus 3, you will get a 3. And the rest you see a combination of 9. 9 plus 0 is 9. 6 plus 3 is 9. 4 plus 5 is 9. And the last combination of 10, which is 7. Have you understood this?
Yeah.
Yes, getting it, Ali? Yusuf? Getting it, all of you?
Yes, clear,
Yes.
miss.
Yes.
Okay, all right.
Yes.
Now this is something which is very easy. I mean, trust me, if I give you a question, say 7,000 minus 263, okay, like this. What will you do? You write 1 less than 7, which is 6, correct? For these two numbers, you write a combination of 9, which is 7 and 3. And the last combination for 10, which is 7. How many understood this?
Me.
I understand.
Me.
Instead of horizontal, vertical, we are doing horizontal. Getting it or no? The same
Yes,
method.
yes.
Okay. Now pay attention, everybody. We will do a question which is like, for example, you have 9243 minus 1865. Okay. All of you understand integers here, I'm sure. Yeah?
Yeah.
All of you
Yes.
understand integers. Integers mean negative numbers, correct?
Yes, yes.
Now let us do one thing one by one. What is 9 minus 1?
8.
8.
I'm going to write all the numbers here like this. 9 minus 1, 8.
8.
Okay. What is 2 minus 8?
It's
Negative
that
6.
Negative 6.
I'm going to write the negative on the top, correct? Like this. Okay.
Okay.
Miss, I have the answer.
Wait. We will do it with a method. I know you will have an answer because I'm explaining the
Negative
method. So this is
2.
bar 2,
Negative
correct?
2.
Yes. And this is 3 over 5 minus 5. This is bar.
Negative
Negative
2.
2.
So basically you have 8 bar 6 bar 2 bar 2. Now what
Yes.
is the meaning? Okay. This means 8,000 minus 622. Do you know that? Now what is the answer here? 1 less than 8 is 7. 6 combination is
7378.
378. Correct. That's the answer. Getting it, everybody? Now when I'm explaining it to you, it looks longer. When you try to do it mentally, it is much faster. But you will get it gradually. How many of you
Okay.
understood this?
Me.
Okay.
Me.
All right. I'll go to the next page. You guys should be able to do this now. Can I go to the next page, everybody?
Yes.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Now let us do this. Let us say you have a 7324. Oh, wait 1 second. 7125 minus let us take 4869. Okay, create the number directly. So see, this is 3 bar 7 bar 4 bar 4. Getting it? Which is 3. In your mind, you know that it is 3000 minus 744, which is equal to how much? 2256. Getting it, everybody?
Yes.
Mm-hmm. Yes, yes.
How many understand this, what I'm doing on the board?
Me.
Very good. So when you know this method, you can easily subtract this bit. I hope you guys are understanding. Getting it, everybody? Ravan, Aldana,
Yes.
Said, everybody? Yeah?
Yes.
Okay.
What if there was a positive number in between the negative
Yeah.
numbers?
I'm doing it. You're asking a perfect question. I'm doing the next sum
Wait,
like that.
can you repeat it? Because I didn't understand.
One second. I'll what I'll do is I'll explain the next question and then I'll explain it again. Okay, probably you understand it then. 1 second. So suppose if we take 8264 minus 1829. Pay attention, okay? Now let's write down. 8 minus 1 is 7, but 2 minus 8 is bar 6, correct? This is 70 minus 6, which is 64. Do you get it?
Mm.
Getting it or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. 6 minus 2 is 4, and this is equal to bar 5. 40 minus 5 is 35. That's your answer. How many getting it?
Yes. But like, how did you make it to like
Because there is
71?
a positive number in between, no?
Okay.
See, there is a
Wait.
positive number in between, correct? 6 minus 2. This is a positive 6 minus 2, you get answer as a positive 4, correct?
Yes.
Okay. Or if you don't want to do it like this, let me just write the whole thing together, then you get it maybe better. Okay. Let's do what we did before. 8 minus 1 is 7. 2 minus 6 is bar 6. 2 minus 8 is bar 6. 6 minus 2 is 4. And this is equal to bar 5. Okay. Now you take a combination of the one with the bar and the one before, like that. Getting it? Now this is 70 minus 6. And this is 40 minus 5. So
Just
70
add
minus,
zero after it.
I'm sorry.
After the first number, we add a 0.
Yeah, this we are following. This is same. Yeah, 7 bar 6 means this is a 10 place and 1 place. No, that is why it becomes 70. Getting it or no?
Okay. Yeah.
Like that. So 70 minus 6, that will give you 64, and 40 minus 5 will give you 35. This is your answer.
Okay.
See, we started with a method which was so lengthy, and we landed up here. Are you getting it, everybody? How many of you understand
Yes.
what I'm trying to say?
Yes.
We start
I get
something which is lengthy, but gradually you come down to a method which is pretty easy, okay? Which can be done mentally. I hope all of you got the hang of it. Take a couple of sums by yourself and try to do it. I'm sure all of you will be able to do it. It's not complicated at all. Okay. Now let us learn because I think there is another session. Is okay. Okay, so there is, can we go to the next method, guys? Have you all understood this?
Yes.
Okay, now
Yes.
let's do a method of multiplication. Okay, okay. So, so multiplication, let us see how to multiply numbers. I'm going to teach you how to multiply two-digit numbers with each other. Okay, so this is equal to, suppose you have a 43 multiplied by say 26. Any numbers, any number that you want to multiply. Okay, let me take one easy number first. Let me take 21. Okay, normally all of you would pick up a calculator for this, mostly. Okay, now let us see what you do. Let us imagine that these are the four numbers, correct? 43 and 21. This is 44 into 2. You multiply 4 into 2. What is 4 into 2? 8.
8.
Very good. Then again, I'm going to write the numbers separately. Then we will not write. You all know that first we start with a lengthy process and then we shorten it. Okay. Now you're going to multiply 4 into 1, correct? Which is 4, plus you will multiply 2 into 3, which is 6. 4 plus 6 will give you 10. And then lastly, you will multiply the last digit, which is 3 into 1, which is equal to 3. Now, the only thing you guys have to do is arrange these numbers. So you will write down 8, 10, and 3. Your answer is 908. Yeah, 903. Getting it? How
Yes,
many
but it's
understood this?
little lengthy.
So
No, no,
if it's a
I will tell you.
two-digit number,
I will tell you the shortcut to this. But understand the logic. This is the logic. This is the logic. Okay, I'll tell you how to do it. You don't have to do all this every time. This is something that should go in the brain. I'll tell you how to do it shorter. Okay?
Okay.
All right. Finish, guys. Can I go to the next
wait,
page?
but if it's a two-digit number, I just take the first like tenth, like the tenth, and I put it to the like I add it to the number that is before it. Right?
No, no. You're asking me the method or you have your own method? What is it?
No, I meant now 8 and then 10 and then 3. So for the one, I'm just like, even if it's like anywhere, like for example, if the 10 was in the third, if like for example, for
Yeah,
the
the
third
one
one.
goes as a carryover to the previous one. Yeah, the one goes as a
Oh,
carryover to the previous one. Okay. I'll do one more question. Okay. Let us see if you have to take, suppose 72 multiplied by 64. Okay. These are both the larger numbers. First of all, in your mind, you can do what is 7 times 6? 7 times 6, 42. Of course, you
42.
should know times table very fast. Okay. All
Yeah,
right.
yeah.
Okay. 7 times 2 is 42. Okay. Then can you multiply what is 7 times 4? What is 7
It's 8.
times 4?
It's 8.
28.
28.
Plus 6 times 2 is 12. This
12.
gives
12.
you how much? 40. Correct?
40.
Right? And now what is
Yeah.
4 times 2? 8. What is your
8.
answer? 4608.
460.
Getting it?
Wait, one more time. Explain just one more time.
Yeah. Okay. Let's do, let's take a number which is a little, let us take 45 and multiply it by, what is the number you would like to, 26. Okay. 45 multiplied by 26. First of all, you multiply 4 times 2. What is 4 times 2? Who
8.
has a doubt? Do it with me. 4 times
8.
2 is 8. Okay. Now, cross multiply, that is 24 and 10. You add them. What is this? 24 plus 10.
34.
24 plus 10. 34. Correct. 34, 3 goes as a carryover. Remember that. And then you
Okay.
multiply 5 times 6. 5 times 6, 30. 3 goes carry over here. What's your answer? 1170. Are you getting
Okay.
it?
Yes. Okay, now I understand.
Okay. That's not very difficult. I hope you guys are getting it. Correct?
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So can I give you all one or two sums to do by yourself? Try to do it. Let's try
Yeah.
52 multiplied by say 27. Try to do it yourself, people. See if you can do it. Or let us take 84 multiplied by 31. One is very small. Let us do 35. Okay, do this, all of you. And you have to be genuine, okay? Without a calculator, if you have to do it mentally, do you think it is faster or slower or whatever?
Is it 1404 for the first one?
5 twos are 10, and that's a 35 plus 4, so that's a 39, and 7 twos are 14. Yes, it is indeed. It is
Okay.
1404. And this will be how much? It will be 24, and 40 plus 12, that's a 52.
2940.
Yes, 2940. That's perfect. That's 2940. Getting it? How many of you understood
Yeah.
this? Are you guys getting it or no?
Yes,
Yes.
yes.
Okay. So I think these are some main stuff you can try and practice a couple of them. Okay. Plus, what you can do is all of you. Oh, can I stop sharing, guys? Anybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, wonderful.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry. Some people have been sending me messages, but I did not see them. I'm sorry. Okay. So, guys, there are a lot of other topics. You can go through this, but they are all easy to handle by yourself. Okay. You can try and do them. All of you have my number. If you think that you have any doubt, personally, you can get in touch with me. Or if you don't have, Mr. Dennis, you think I can share my number with them in case if they have doubts?
Yes, definitely. I can be able to share your number.
Wait,
Uh,
can you also wait? Did you also explain from before about the division? Or maybe I wasn't here from before, maybe.
no, I did not explain division. Uh,
Oh, okay then.
I did not explain division here, but in case if all any of you have any specific doubt about any specific method there, okay, I'm writing my number in the chat box. My name is Vrishali. In case if anybody has a doubt, you can get back to me. I'll help you out there. Are you getting it, guys? And I'm going to send this recording of this class that we did. So all those who couldn't attend or have not understood any typical method that we did in the class can go through the recording and you can check what has been explained. After that also, if you do not understand, you're free to contact me. My number is there in the chat. Please write it down and you can get back to me for any assistance.
Okay, miss, thanks.
All right, guys. Thank you so much,
Thank you.
people. It
Thank
was
you.
lovely meeting you guys. Thanks a lot. Bye
Thank
bye.
you.
The middle
Thank you.
level, miss, we're
Bye.
going to
Bye.
do the same
Have a
Sorry.
nice day.
Thank
for the middle
you.
level, for the master
Thanks.
level.
Yes, yeah.
Same link, right?
Yeah, same link for all the
Okay,
levels. But I'm going to stop this
exactly.
class so that the recording comes in. Otherwise, the
Okay,
recording will not come in.
okay.
Okay? All right.
All right. The next set of students will be joining. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye bye.